my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. This will be a tiny little video. I bought some yarn off Amazon. I had some gift card money to burn. I didn't have a lot. I only had like a couple bucks. So I went and see if I can find yarn that was actually under $3. And I found some and it came today. And wow, I think it's tiny. Look, I mean, look how, yeah, not very flat and not that much. And I was like, oh, I mean, I know, first of all, this is what I've never heard of before. It's a Mandala cake. It's a Mandala craft cake. So yeah, it's, I wasn't expecting much, but this is tiny. Mine, I'm sorry about the crinkling, so I'm getting it out of the bag. See this? It's a Mandala craft cake. Look how tiny that is. So anyway, I mean, the colors are nice. So nice fall colors. So anyway, this tiny little ball is a size 3. It's usually a little Mandala usually is a size 3. It's a 1.2 ounce ball or 35 grams. It's only 88 yards or 81 meters. Oh, the color is fall leaves. So it is machine washable and dryable. See, I can't even read what the hook sizes are on this. Oh, talk about tiny. I think it was size 6 and a size G. Size 6 knitting needles or a size 6. Or size, and a size G hook, crochet hook. I don't know if I want to take it out of the package yet. This is cute. And it's definitely fall colors. I think I might make... This might go into a pumpkin or something. I don't know. It's tiny. I'm not sure what you could make with it other than a small project. I might make a pumpkin out of this. I do have a pumpkin pattern. Yeah, so I might make one of these. I make a pumpkin out of it, and it's almost like the right colors. It's the autumn colors. I don't know what to make with that. Maybe I'll just collect it and keep it in the little bag. So anyway, now I've never heard of a Mandala craft cake. Now I know what to expect when I see one. And now you know what to expect when you see one. So anyway, it is like I said, this was a short video. Yeah, and you can possibly make, yeah, I might make a pumpkin out of this. Might not, of course it's a size 3, so might be a small pumpkin, or I don't know what to do with this yet. So anyway, that is a Mandala craft cake. One thing I've noticed, I forgot to mention, that there's a hole in the bag. So I wonder if we can like pull it from the center and keep this in the bag. I don't know. You let me know what you think in the comments. Like, yeah, because it looks like I can almost, like, I don't want to ruin it too much, but it looks like I can almost pull from the center and work from the center. So, oh, now now I'm really ruining this. Oh, look at that. So yeah, you can probably leave it in the bag and pull from the center. Now I have a mess. So now I might have to start something with this pretty soon. But all right. Okay. If you did, it's a short video. So if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this? Please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching. and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.